Hello, welcome to the Howard Foundation's SurveyMonkey Apply portal. If this is your first time using the portal, you'll need to register to set up a password for your account. Please use the email address that your request was sent to. If you have used the portal before, or have used SurveyMonkey Apply, you can simply log in. If you have forgotten your password, you may use the password recovery tool. Once logged in, please select Reviewer if you have multiple roles. You'll now see that you have assignments that are uncompleted. Here's we'll have a 0 and the number of assignments you have assigned. Click Continue. You will be brought to the assignments page. Instructions have been included. These will also be sent to you in an email. You have until January 16th to submit your recommendations. The recommendations will be listed with the project here. Clicking on this will bring you to the application panel. You may also access this via Start. You will see the applicant's last name listed as well as any extenuating circumstances they may have listed in their application. You will see these in the application as well in their full entirety. This column will record your responses for your rankings, and this column will also record your comments. This column you can use to check if any of the applicants pose a conflict of interest to you. When you click Start, you'll be brought into a two-pane window. The application will be on the left. Your ranking will be on the right. You'll be tasked with ranking your top 5 applications, with 1 being the greatest and 5 being the lowest. Any application that does not make this top 5 will be given a 0. Once you have selected your rank, if you have ranked the application, you will write your full description in this box. Please provide as much information as possible in what weighed in your decision, and then you may mark as complete. You may scroll through applications by using the arrow buttons in the top corner here. You may also access instructions from this page at any time. If you also want to select conflict of interest from this page, you may do it here. And if you want to download any portion of the application, you may do it here. Once you mark all of your applications as complete, you'll be notified that you have completed all your assignments. You may then review and submit, or just simply submit. But once you submit and we move it to the next round, you will not be able to change your recommendations. If you do decide to change any, you may just go back in, select the dots to the right, and you can either clear your review, you can view the application, you can download both your review and the application, or you can export all of your reviews to read. If you click into View, you may modify your review at any time up until after you've submitted all of your applications. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions or issues with the portal, as I am happy to assist.